Today we are in DeLand. Behind us, Big Rig 2, which is open 24 hours, and it's like a cafe. Now I saw a video of this place, and in that video someone got a pancake. Pancake is the size of this tire right here. So we will get one of those and share it, and they gave it a 10 out of 10 for pancake. Now, I believe they serve obviously like breakfast, lunch, and dinner since it's open 24 hours, but we're here with my parents to try. I don't know if we call it a cafe or a diner. We'll see, but we're gonna call it Big Rig 2 since that's the name, and it appears to be pretty busy. So looking forward to this one. Let's go check it out. Big Rig 2. There's a few outdoor tables, but I feel like most people are sitting inside. Home cooking. Let's go look at the sign. Big Rig 2, 24 hours, Southern style, home cooking, Sunday, baked ham, dinner, 3 sides, rolls, and a cake, $17.95. Now we don't have to figure out the hours because 24 hours. That makes it nice and easy. Oh wow, here's what it looks like. We're gonna go this way. So at first glance it kind of reminds me of like an old school former Waffle House looking place, but they've got all of these photos on the wall and then restrooms in the back, right back there. So, and then they've got this table that has all the advertisements on it, and then right here, Big Rig 2. Go through the menu. It's a massive menu. Of course, it's got some advertisements in it too, but here's breakfast. So 1 egg, 2 eggs, 2 egg scramble, omelets and breakfast baskets, and then also a 3 egg breakfast wrap. Over here, breakfast sandwiches, bagel, sandwich, biscuits and gravy. 24-hour breakfast menu. Next page, oatmeal, meat sides. There's the pancakes. The one we saw had chocolate chips in it. Texas French toast, sides, all menu items available for takeout. Big Rig 2 special breakfast. I have no idea what to get. There's a European breakfast. Beverages, which I ended up getting half and half tea, but we have a couple coffees. Lunch and dinner. All right, here we go. Hot dogs, sandwich, shed, wraps, burgers, sandwiches, quesadillas, lunch baskets, appetizers, soups, sides. Mini meals come with 2 sides, cornbread or roll, and dessert of the day. Look at that. There's desserts. And then the back shows the dinners. Served with 2 sides and cornbread or roll. They have Atkins friendly dinners right there. And below that we've got salads. And I think that's a look at the menu. Also, it was seat yourself, so I don't think I mentioned that earlier. Big Rig 2 got grits again, Southern home cooking, DeLand, Florida mug. And then of course we're gonna get the pancake. I'm gonna see what kind of breakfast I want. They have a cheeseburger omelet. Texas toast, Texas French toast. Man, I don't know. My mom's getting this. Timber's doing the sausage biscuit with cheese. My dad's looking at the egg and cheese wrap. Oh, look at the baskets with breakfast tots and tea or coffee. I might do one biscuit and gravy, add bacon, and then we'll have the pancake to split. Although bacon is $6. Woo! Yeah, I'll hold off on the bacon. Instead, I'll just do the one biscuit and gravy. Comes with tots and also comes with tea. So that's not too bad. I'm wondering if that tea means iced tea or hot tea, or does it matter? Timber thinks hot tea, but either way, I'm still gonna get one biscuit and gravy. I'm actually gonna switch it up and do the country breakfast because it comes with a pancake and bacon. I'll probably do grits. So 2 eggs, pancake, bacon, grits, $15.50. And looks like maybe we won't try the biscuits and gravy at this spot, but I want to try the pancake for sure. Here's the cowboy burger. Happy turkey season. Let's try the tea. Tea's good. My mom said the water's good. And the coffee's good. It's coffee. They have this 6-ounce sirloin steak, 2 eggs with toast, home fries, hash browns, or grits, $14.95. And then there's the soup of the day. You can get a bowl or a cup and add a grilled cheese for $3 extra. Here's the pancake. So reference for size of hand, it is a big one and plenty to share for the table. So glad we just got one. I don't think I've ever seen so much butter. Look at this. So here is the sausage biscuit with cheese. Comes with chips, and the wrap, right? You had the wrap. And then you also had the wrap.
Egg and cheese wrap.
And it comes with the little like hash brown tots. Again, the pancake, I learned from looking at other people's table, they folded the pancake, which makes sense. And then here's the eggs, grits, and bacon. The bacon does look good. Let's try the bacon. Very crispy bacon. What we got, orange marmalade, mixed fruit, strawberry, and grape. All right, let's try the pancake. I'm excited. Here's the pancake. That's a very good pancake. It's borderline stinking good pancake there. The sausage cheese biscuit. I think that's good. Good call on adding the cheese. Cheese is good. The grits are good. And now gonna try the eggs. I will say I do like their little hash brown tot things. I think those are nifty. We almost finished the pancake, but it's a lot to eat, that's for sure. Here's the final bill. Actually not bad for all the food we got. So $56.44, unless you do cash, $54.27. And then you do pay up here at the front. We are heading outside. Popular spot. Pretty busy. Parking lot's pretty full. That's good. I'd like to try lunch or dinner. But like I said, parking lot's pretty full. What'd you think?
Well, I thought that was a good place for breakfast. They give you plenty of food. The pancake is huge, decent pancake. It's worth getting. I'd like to try one with either chocolate chips or blueberries. I bet that'd be good. But it wasn't too bad a price. Some things were a little pricey, but overall it was pretty normal cost for a full breakfast.
Yeah, I mean we all almost got beverages or whatever, and we're all full.
Yeah,
so not bad at all.
It filled us up, and it was decent food.
Yeah, overall a decent spot, I think, right?
Yeah, I have no complaints at all. I thought it was good. It had a really good menu, so many things to choose from, and everything was tasty, and service was good. I have no complaints at all. It was good.
And as we mentioned, the pancake was good. I can't eat a lot of breakfast, so that was plenty for me.
Yeah.
I'd like to try the biscuits and gravy, though. I bet it seems like...
Biscuits were pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And good call with your cheese on there. That was the right thing to do. Coffee was fine.
Yeah, fine.
Normal
Just normal.
coffee. And yeah, I mean, I'm glad we found this place. So if you're in DeLand, check out Big Rig 2. I feel like there could be a Big Rig 1, so if you know, let us know. Or is it just called Big Rig 2? I don't know. Either way, though, it's a popular spot. Lots of vehicles here, lots of people, and we'll have to try lunch. I'm more of a lunch dinner person. I mentioned that before, but big menu. So anyway, I think that does it for the Big Rig 2. And with that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.